Hello, I'm Keith. It's nice to be with you today. We're going to do a really simple meditation that's meant to relax and cleanse our bodies and our minds energetically. Suitable for all levels. Don't worry if you're new to meditation or get caught up on doing this right. We want this to feel good. So I'm sitting on my knees. You can sit cross-legged. Cushions are good if you have a block. Just make sure you're comfortable and you sit up nice and tall. I invite you to take Jnana Mudra with your thumbs touching the tips of your pointer fingers and your palms face up on your thighs. If that doesn't feel good, you can just take palms face down. Allow your eyes to close. 3 cleansing breaths to start. Big breath into the center of your heart through your nose. Exhale out your mouth. Start to relax your shoulders, relax into the center of your chest. 2 more like that. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Side out exhale. Relax through your jaw, the muscles behind your eyes, your hips. Just kind of notice where you can unclench. And now seal your lips and start to breathe in and out of your nose. You're just playing with your imagination in this meditation. So I want you to imagine a big funnel right above the top of your head. And from here, from space, from the universe, as you could imagine, really bright light, white light. Perhaps there's a hint of gold in this light or little flickers of gold. That resonates. It's coming, this light, right in from the funnel, from outer space into the top of your head. It's a vibrant, cleansing, healing light. It's also relaxing, and it refreshes and cleanses everything it touches, any stagnant energy or tired energy. Just imagine it now starting to trickle in from the top of your head, your scalp, into your brain, the area around your brain, and the back of your head, behind your ears, top of your neck, all the muscles in your face. And just with your imagination, notice where this light feels good and vibrant. As it pours in from this funnel, let it start to come in towards your throat, the back of your neck, into the crest of your throat, the muscles on the tops of your shoulders and into the top of your chest, tops of your lungs, cleansing, relaxing, healing. Bright white light, perhaps with some gold. Let it now start to pour in more into your heart, the center of your chest, into the left side of your chest, the organ of your heart. the right side, your lung. Let it come into the middle of your lungs, into the bottom of your lungs. Not getting caught up on doing this correctly, just imagining, feeling really light coming in to the backs of your shoulders, your armpits, down your arms, elbows, forearms, out through your fingers. Now start to focus again from the bottom of your heart into your sternum, middle back. Let it really spill into this space in the middle back, bright. Just relaxing, unlocking everything it touches. Effortlessly, right? It starts to spill in more and more into the middle part of your belly, the lower part of your middle back, spine, around your belly button, from the top of your head, just spilling all the way down like a waterfall, now into your lower belly, starting to go into the upper part of your lower back. You don't have to do anything, it just washes over everything. You don't even have to allow it. Let it come to your hips, the front of your pelvis, really into your lower back, your glutes. Spilling in, you can imagine you're turning up the dial on the brightness, on its power. It just gently washes over everything. Vibrant and alive. Into the space around the tip of your tailbone. Let it wash all the way through your pelvis. Any stagnation there, let this light wash in. Let it come deep into your hips, into your upper thighs, backs of your legs, front of your thighs. Start to wash into the front and backs of your knees. You can imagine it like a waterfall from the top of your head, washing all the way down, just growing in intensity, even vibrating outside of your body as it comes through your knees into your calves. Into your ankles, upper part of your ankles, lower part into your heels, your feet, and even radiating out through the bottom of your feet. Just take about 5 breaths to feel this light, just all the way pouring in from the top of your head. Let the amount of light pouring through the funnel almost double. It just washes over everything from the top of your head, through your face, torso, hips, legs, out through the bottom of your feet. Just bathe in this, soak in it. Let it feel good. Invite your hands to the space in front of your heart. You can imagine a bubble around you in this light. So you carry it with you through the rest of your day. Right? And just know all the cells of your body, your mind. You get a little cleanse and a spark just with your imagination. Give yourself a bow. Feel some love for your body. Come back to these practices as much as you need. Have a wonderful rest of your day.